Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you're into mechanical keyboards and crave that perfect balance between aesthetics, customization, and performance, then stay tuned. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Keychron Q6 Max, a full-size wireless custom mechanical keyboard that blends professional functionality with enthusiast-level design. The Q6 Max is the ultimate full-sized board for productivity lovers and mechanical keyboard enthusiasts alike. Whether you're coding, editing, gaming, or just typing for hours, this keyboard offers the tactile satisfaction and flexibility you've been waiting for. Let's start with the design. This keyboard comes in a premium CNC aluminum chassis that feels rock solid. It's hefty, well-built, and absolutely screams quality. The hot-swappable PCB allows you to change out your switches without soldering, and it comes pre-installed with Gateron Banana tactile switches, which offer a bouncy, soft tactile feel that's a dream to type on. You're getting tri-mode connectivity here, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired, making it a powerhouse for Mac, Windows, and even Linux users. And with QMK via support, you can remap any key or create layers for custom workflows. Whether you're building macros or setting up dedicated shortcuts, this board is fully programmable. But that's not all. The programmable rotary knob in the top corner is the cherry on top. You can customize it to control volume, scroll, switch apps, zoom, whatever fits your workflow best. Let's talk lighting. The per-key RGB backlighting is vibrant, clean, and completely customizable. Whether you're into static hues or full-blown rainbow waves, this board delivers. Thanks to its gasket-mounted structure, double gasket design, and sound-absorbing foam, the Q6 Max offers a soft, cushioned typing feel with reduced ping and resonance. Typing feels premium, deep, and buttery smooth. No harsh clacks or rattles here. If you're serious about your desk setup and want a full-size keyboard that delivers on every front, look no further. The Keychron Q6 Max is the keyboard that doesn't compromise: aesthetic, powerful, and endlessly customizable. Like what you see? Tap that Amazon link below to grab yours today. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more deep dive tech reviews.